Hey, good morning. This is Jay Youmans, and I just want to introduce to you this 2019 Edgewater 262CX dual console boat. We just listed this boat. It's a great value and price to sell in the market. Come on, let's go take a look and see some of the features and benefits of this boat. This boat's been kept indoors at Jupiter Point Marina in Jupiter, Florida. You can see the hull is in excellent condition. No fading of the color at all. It's a beautiful seafoam green, which is an optional color from Edgewater. Twin Yamaha 200 engines with only 279 hours on them. The boat was recently serviced and the services are up to date. So here we are inside the cockpit of the boat. This boat has some great optional features that are included with the boat, and I'm going to go through some of them now. Here we are in the cockpit of the boat. You can see that it has fold-down transom seating. And then over here on the port side, there's an additional optional fold-down seat, providing excellent space and socializing area for your guests and entertaining out on the water. Also on the port side, you have a forward seating that actually folds down into a full sun pad. Very easy to use, one-hand touch. This is a tremendous amount of space here on this 262CX by Edgewater. Also note here in the transom you have a live well, opening dive door on the side, and easy access to the ladder, the swim ladder for that side door. You also have a pull-out cooler with an additional cushion seat on it that provides additional seating for even more guests on the boat, or a great spot to sit while you're trolling or fishing out on the water. The boat really has a great layout. Nice, easy access and plenty of headroom to the head with a vacuum flush head, sink, and a mirror. Garmin VHF radio is also included on this boat, as well as the Garmin XSV electronics. Also included, you'll note you've got USB chargers, and there's a full walk-in storage compartment with ample storage. Super easy to use. You can store all of your life jackets, your inflatables, anything you need for the day. One-hand operation, excellent quality design. Walking up through into the bow, you have folding armrests, which gives you the benefit of having additional seating for guests or total relaxation with your arms out, stretched out, and just enjoying a day on the water. You'll see there's a bracket there for a table. The table doubles as a filler, so you can have a large sun pad here in the bow. JL audio speakers also up here in the bow. Your windlass is up here, and again, even more USB chargers, so you can keep those phones and tablets charged when you're out on the water. So again, my name's Jay Youmans, and if you have any further interest, want more details, please give me a call. My phone number is 561-222-3181, and I look forward to seeing you out on the water.